Shenzhen Jaguar Automation Equipment Company Limited. Professionalism leads to industry benchmarks. Dedicated to refinement, ingenuity, and quality. Jaguar Automation Equipment Company Limited slams the forefront of the market and sharpens the future of the industry. Go ahead first, see the world with leopards. Keep your heart and perseverance, because you choose extraordinary. It is different. Shenzhen Jaguar Automation Equipment Company Limited is a high-paying technology company specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of electronic equipment such as lead-free reflow soldering, lead-free wave soldering, and high-speed dispensers. Rising due to professionalism and development due to focus, the company introduces advanced technologies of world-class standards such as Europe, America, Japan, Taiwan, and continuously develops and innovates various series of high-quality products to provide customers with the most energy-efficient, environmentally friendly, and practical SMT solution. Seiko wins. All extraordinary after years of intensive exploration and rapid development. Jaguar Automation Equipment Company Limited brings original business model, excellent equipment quality, strong product capabilities, and comprehensive one-stop service to bring customers to meet marketization, personalized, diversified demand for classic products, leading the leading position of China's lead-free electronic equipment manufacturing industry. At present, the company's products are widely used in electronic circuits, integrated circuits, instruments, printed circuits, computer manufacturing, mobile phone communications, automotive GPS, automotive electronics, DVD, home appliance manufacturing board, smartphone, tablet MID, industrial control motherboard, GPS service, precision equipment, LED flip chip, LED lighting, LED display, LED power driver, electronic appliances, toy manufacturing, printing board, and other industries, deeply trusted and praised by the market. Leap international and create a winning market. Ingenuity in China, global sharing of quality, and continuous development of the domestic market. Jaguar Automation Equipment Company Limited actively explores the international market with its leading edge in technology and products, achieving a strong leap from domestic leadership to international competition. Exported to dozens of countries and regions such as Russia, North Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, Ukraine, India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Singapore, Denmark, Kazakhstan, Iran, USA, UK, Germany, etc. Well-known national brand. Harmonious progress, operation of the casting industry. Dream drives journey, culture, and cohesion. In the constantly changing market competition, Jaguar people integrate technology into their ideals, ignite the future with innovation, and create an outstanding team with a high degree of enthusiasm and a focus on customers. Through innovative development of its own core products and target markets, it actively provides customers with SMT overall solutions and comprehensive value-added services that exceed its expectations, and continues to move towards first-class SMT equipment and service companies. Partners become mutually respectful and win-win and grow into a respected benchmark enterprise. The longer the road, the hard forward, the original intention. Jaguar Automation, highlighting China's new power of intellectual manufacturing, the rise of China's outstanding SMT brand, and a new journey to the world.